Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Catherine here and I am back with another DIY hairstyles. Today I'll be showing you all how I made these two zigzag knots on my hair. So if that sounds like what you are interested in, why not keep on watching, and with no further ado, let us dive right in. To begin this style, as usual, my hair has already been washed and moisturized, so right now I am combing it out for easy parting. Next, I'll go in with my recto comb and start parting my zigzag line. I will start from the front in a slant way and move to the other side, just from one slant side to the other, so I can achieve a zigzag shape. Yours don't have to be perfect. To be honest, this wasn't easy for me, so you're gonna have to take your time and be patient, okay? And after that, I'll go in with my shine and jam to clear out the line and also to slick down my hair. Guys, when recreating this style, please don't make the same mistake I made by using a small mirror. Ensure you have a very big mirror hung on the wall. You guys are seeing how I'm straining my neck. I wouldn't have gone this far to straining my neck if I've had a mirror hung on the wall. If I've had a bigger mirror, look at that small mirror, just look at that. See, yeah, that's what I was using, and it wasn't even like put in a better position. So please get a huge mirror and ensure that it's hung on the wall. Even though you have to have in a mirror, like a separate mirror you'll be moving around, let it be different from the one hung on the wall for easy, to be able to achieve this hairstyle, honestly. So after making sure the lines are clear, now I will start slicking them down with my spray, with my free spray, got to be free spray. I'll pat out small at the center just to build that slickiness. You don't want to slick the whole thing together. You have to build it, just start from the middle like I am doing now. I will spray my slick and then comb, brush, make sure ensure that it is held well together, before adding the last part, that is the back. Slick it down again, spray my got to be free spray onto it again, brush it in. And also I used my blow dryer to ensure that it dries out quick, and not, just to ensure that it dries out quick, I'll use my blow dryer. And then I will also go in and add the front part. I sprayed it as well with my got to be, and I'm brushing it in, bringing out my baby hair. And bringing out the hair I'll be using as baby hair, because I don't have baby hair, but yeah. And yeah, I will just keep on brushing it in, making sure that everything is well slicked down. You have to ensure that you slick down your hair, because this is kind of a ponytail, well, it's double ponytail. You guys know how sleek ponytails can be, so try as much as you can to achieve a very sleek hair. And after putting everything into a rubber band, I will go in again with my blow dryer to blow dry the hair to ensure that the gel, the slick, I didn't use the gel, I used a free spray to ensure that it dries out, and so it wouldn't distract the the end part. So I have done the two parts, as you guys can see. Right now I am putting the end into braiding. I'll make sure to braid out the ends of both ponytail like normal braid, as you guys are seeing, then proceed to put elastic bands over my extension. Yes, you're gonna in form of tie it, just like you're seeing right now. You can use any quantity you want, but preferably use not too big quantity, just like mine. And then I'll go ahead to put it onto the ponytail, onto the braided ponytail. Ouch, my rubber band just slacked, unlike the other one where I used elastic band. For some weird reasons, I only had one elastic band, so I used rubber band for this one. So after that, after I've successfully tied the extension onto the braided hair, onto the ponytail, I will go ahead to put the braided hair in between the extension, then start wrapping around. I will wrap around, then proceed to start twisting it. Like, when I mean twisting, you like bend it over to your preferred length and start wrapping it around in form of a knot, just like I'm doing. You keep on wrapping it, or rather knotting it till I exhaust. Till you exhaust the extension, you keep on knotting it, and it will be forming this cute whatever. I don't know what to call this, but it will form this cute whatever. And there you have it, after I have exhausted every strand of the extension. Tell me this is not cute and I will come for you. Like, tell me it's not cute and I will fight you, okay? And I went on ahead to start laying down my edges, you know, to give that extra cuteness in form of baby hair, even though I don't have one, but we're gonna create one like I said earlier, okay? I also repeated the same edge laying on this other side, and you guys,
every corner of